Just got back from Harbor Freight, and I saw these hanging on the rack, so I reached up and grabbed them. Realized they're spring loaded, and realized how comfortable they are, so I bought them. We're going to open them up and we're going to give them a try. So the description here is 8-inch pistol grip long nose pliers, which are basically needle nose. Chemical resistant grips for lasting durability. 2-inch jaw capacity. Chrome vanadium construction. Built-in wire cutter. Induction hardened edges. Serrated teeth. And they're by Quinn. This is one of their premium brands there at the Harbor Freight. Lifetime warranty. I don't know if you can see that from the glare or not. Let's see what else we got on the back. They are made in China. Basically everything I just read. So yeah, so let's open these up and let's see what you get. Hold on just a second. There we go. Now, like I said at the start of this, the one thing that I noticed is that they are spring loaded. And what's unique about them is there's no external spring. So the spring is literally built into the pivot joint. Now they do have lifetime warranty, so obviously if that spring ever finally breaks and you don't have your spring loaded action, I'm assuming they would warranty that. It's got very good sharp serrations on the teeth. Overall, the finish looks good. You know, like I say, Quinn is one of their premium brands. Doyle is another one. And then you also have Icon. Out of the three, I don't know which ones are considered, you know, I don't know if the Doyle is considered a better quality than the Quinn, to be honest. But I mean, these Quinns, they don't look bad. The price on these were $9.99. So I thought, you know, I mean, they feel good. They're spring loaded. So, you know, reaching down and grabbing stuff, it should be a pretty easy task with these. And with the, I mean, I really like the serrations. I can see where those would really grip on stuff, and, you know, to you know, grip something, twist it, pull it out, or putting stuff in. I can see where these would be really, really handy. Wear eye protection. Got the wire cutters in there. Let's try the wire cutters out. Let me get a little piece of wire. Okay. This is just some cheap automotive wire. Whoop. This is some heavier electrical wire. Cuts through it like you'd expect. Yeah, all in all, if you need a nice pair of pistol grip style needle nose pliers, these Quinns aren't bad. Now, I've got one more pair of these. Let's compare them. Not of the Quinns, they're a needle nose style plier. See if I can find them here. There they are, right there. Well, I guess they're not really much of a needle nose. These are the Titans, made in China also. These were also $10. These have been my favorite ones so far. Out of any needle nose I've got, these are actually my favorite. They do have cutters on them. Now, I have to say that, I mean, these Quinns, they feel better. These have a little bit longer reach. These are obviously are not spring loaded, but the handles are close enough together to where you can, you just use the middle finger to flip them apart. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which ones I'm going to end up liking better. These feel like they're going to be stronger. It just feels like there's a little bit more meat. These have a skinnier, they come to a skinnier point. Built-in crimpers, depending on what you're doing. But yeah, for $9.99, lifetime warranty, you might want to pick you up a pair of these. I can already tell they are going to be a pretty decent pair of needle nose. Anyway, that's about all I got. You guys take care.